G'day everyone, I'm Matt Newman, live from Yellow Central, and we have some breaking news. Overnight, HCL software made available for download the latest versions of Notes and Domino version 12 and same time 11.6. They're both available now for all supported operating systems and in all languages. If you're a customer or partner, simply access the HCL software portal to gain access to your entitlements. This release of Notes and Domino clearly represents HCL's software commitment to and investment in the software that was purchased from IBM on the 1st of July 2019. This is the second major HCL software branded version of Notes and Domino within the first 2 years of the HCL acquisition. It's truly so exciting to be part of an organisation that respects the capabilities of the platform and HCL Software's desire for us to deliver to our customers, new and old, a continuous evolution and constant innovation to the platform that literally runs your business. To my colleagues in our main development lab in Chelmsford, Massachusetts, and those working remotely throughout the USA, congratulations on delivering this latest release before your Memorial Day long weekend holiday. I hope you'll all relax and celebrate with your friends and family. You have certainly earned this break. To my colleagues in the development, support and fulfilment teams located around the globe, thank you so much for your efforts and contributions to this latest release of Notes, Domino and Same Time. For anyone who would like to learn more about the amazing new capabilities in this release, please join Richard, Francois, Andrew, Lewis and a cast of thousands with our official launch event that is being held on the 7th of June 2021. And look out for all the additional deep dive sessions which follow. The link to register and join is here in the description. I look forward to meeting with you online during the events. I'm Matt Newman with breaking news live from Yellow Central. Thanks for watching.